Well, hi folks, I'm on with making this terracotta at the moment. These are the ones that we hang on the wall. Flatten the backs, put a hole in so you can put a nail in the wall and hang them on the back, on the wall. So I'll get on and make a few of these for you. Right then, back on the old terracotta. Horrible, filthy, brown stuff, but really easy to throw. So these are just going to be a basic flower pot, plant pot shape. Usually do them within one lift because terracotta clay is so easy to throw. It's quite soft as well, this clay, so I'm just going to put a hole in the centre for the drainage. Throw with some dead easy clay, try some earthenware, terracotta. It's really forgiving. This is a very smooth one. You can get coarser types for bigger pots. Like I said, it's so easy to throw. You can actually glaze this stuff, so yeah, it's quite repetitive making these things. Only do it for about 2 or 3 weeks a year, just make a massive batch of these and then they're all ready for summer, because I've got to clean my wheel out totally. So there's no trace of any stoneware clay, because if you start getting bits of stoneware clay mixed in with it, once it's fired it looks horrible, and you get like fingerprints and blotches and all sorts of things. So again, like I said, it's so simple to throw. This clay is quite old as well, so it's not particularly good. Wobbly. These are all just going to be once fired, no glaze, so quite cheap. So we sell them off quite cheaply. So I'll do about 4 different shapes of these terracotta, so I'll do another few videos of each of the other shapes. Probably the most boring shape, but it's the one that seems to sell the best for some reason. Yeah, this clay is a lot softer than I'd normally throw, but even when it's as soft as this, it still stands up. As you can see, you can just lift it and lift it. Very quickly. So it's dead quick to throw. The only problem with this is it's just really stains your skin. Terracotta, no matter how hard you wash, try and wash after, you always get it ingrained into your nails and stuff. I wouldn't like to use it all the time, but it's quite nice to throw something as forgiving as this sort of clay every now and again. I'll just do a couple more. As you can see, it's just really a one move pot really, and then just put a little bit more finesse at the top when you for the last little bit. I don't know why it's dead easy to throw compared to stoneware, because it doesn't feel any different to throw texture wise. It's still a very fine, smooth consistency. It's not like really rough stuff that you can see, so no idea why it's so forgiving, but it is. So I would say to anybody, give it a try. So just do one more. Oh. I'm running out of room on my plank. Little terracotta black pots. Another 95 to go. There we go.